What's good, guys? So I am currently in this position on UJ. I don't know, I might get stopped out, but this is what I have on UJ at the moment. And yeah, this is what it is. And I think it is approaching my stop loss very soon. But if it loses, well, it is what it is. And I think I'm out. I think I'm out of this trade. And I don't know. This is what I have first trade of the week. And yeah, I think I'm going to be a bit aggressive on this account starting today, because I've spent a lot of time on this account, somehow taking me through psychology and everything. So I'm pretty sure that I'm going to be a bit aggressive from it on this account starting today. And yeah, I'll just open a trade if I see my setup. Sometimes I hesitate a lot. I bring in, I contemplate, I bring in every thought for me to not take a position when I see my setups. But it is going to be very different starting from today. So wish me all the best, and I hope I win. If I lose too, I will let you guys know. Peace out. Boys, price has been playing around for quite some time now, and I think maybe this time I might be getting stopped out. Look at this. Price has been dangling around, and it's very frustrating. I don't know. I might get stopped out this time around because it just made equal lows, and most of the time price tend to grab that liquidity below, and I don't know, and this is how it is looking right now. And yeah, I think I'm getting stopped out. So let's see what happens, and I'll definitely let you guys know. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, let's just say I have about a few seconds for a new 5-minute candle to form, and this time I'm getting stopped out. So, and I'm out. So first trade of the week ended up being a stop loss trade. So I'll update you guys if I take any other positions. Peace out and be safe. Good guys, so it is September 16th, 2025, and I took a position today, this morning on UJ. It was at a level which I thought it was gonna, I was anticipating for a buy. It was at a very good level that I wanted to buy from, but after I entered, it played around a bit and eventually it stopped me out. So this is the chart, and this is on MT5, as you guys can see. UJ, it took me, this one took me out, and as you can see, USD JPY. So this is the current balance, and equity and everything. So yeah, this is what I have, and I'm anticipating a very good position on gold. So yeah, I will let you guys know what happens, and I'll update you. So this is what I did this morning, and second loss of the week. So I don't know where the market is gonna take me, but if I get a win, I will let you know. If I get a loss on a different position, I will let you guys know also. So stay tuned and peace out. Guys, after I said, I don't know, let me start from here. I just took some weird position on a pair that I've tested, but I was not trading, right? Because of spreads. But I don't know, for some reason, the spread right now looked very nice and very close. And I opened a position on that trade. It's it's more like a 50-50 trade, right? So I opened the position, and I don't know, let me just show you guys. I'm not going to mention the pair right now, but I'll let you guys know. This is where I opened the position, and as you guys can see, risking like $25 something, hoping for like 150, thereabout, 1 to 5 ish. So that's where I'm sitting at right now. So I don't know. I'll just let you guys know what's up, because I don't know. It might win, it might lose. Ever since I said that I was gonna go aggressive on my account, I don't know. Like when I see a position, it's like just click the buy button, because I've been sitting duck on this account for quite some time now. I just hope this trade wins. If it wins, it will be a W, because I've been forward testing this pair. I've not been trading it with the strategy, just forward testing, and I've been having great results. The reason I was not taking it was because I was sticking with the two that was giving me consistent results, and this one had really bad spread. But look at this right now, it is pushing, or it could just push and just exhaust on the last minute. But regardless, I'll let you guys know what's up. Peace out and be safe. What's good, guys? So same day, just another update. I entered a position on UJ for a buy, and guess what? Price stopped me out literally by a pip. Like it just took me out by a pip and went for my profit target, which is like 1 to 3.5. It literally just stopped me out by a pip. Bro, I was so frustrated. Let me show you guys on my MT5. This is how the trade was. So you guys can see, it took me out. Let me go into the 1 minute time frame and show you guys. Look at this. I bought at this level, and my stop loss was just below this equal level here. But I gave it a bit of a room, yet spread, and it's really frustrating. It took me out, and boom, 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 it went for my profit target. It did. Well, so 2 back-to-back losses today alone, that's like 1%. And I still have that weird position I mentioned earlier. I have it running. As for that one too, I think I almost got stopped out, but it bounced back, and currently it is still running. So I have that one there. So I hope it does something. I am currently down, I think 4 point something percent just from today's losses alone on a single pair UJ. Well, but I'm getting the hang of it. I'm getting the feeling of it, because previously, whenever I am taking a position, I think and hesitate a lot, and sometimes I end up missing winners and taking losing trades. But being able to just click the button, just clicking, and click whenever I see my setup, it is a good feeling. And man, I'll just keep on going how it is going right now, and I'm pretty sure that someday it will be a good one. Yeah, I might pass an account someday. Yeah, eventually I might. So wish me luck, and I'll keep you guys posted. Peace out. Hey guys, so same day again, another update. Remember that weird position I said I opened? I just chopped SL, and it's pretty mad. 3 back-to-back losses today. I'm down about 1 point. How many percent? I think 1.5% or something just today. I don't know. it is somewhere around that because the two UJ losses were about 1%, and this one too I risked like 0.5% on this one, and it ended up losing. So yeah, I'm pretty much done for today, I guess. So this is a current balance, equity, and everything. So yeah, it's frustrating but very good. At least I traded my system. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this unusual pair. I'm just gonna take it out here, and I'm just gonna keep the one that I trade. This trade was like, why not, right? That's what this trade was like, because most of the trades that I was like forward testing on this pair, they all turned out to be wins. And I saw a setup for me today, and I was like, bro, let me try and see, because back testing was nice and forward testing was also a bit cool, good percent in return. So I was like, let me try it out and see, and I just did, and I lost. So yeah, I'm just gonna stick it out and keep the ones that I trade on here so that I don't get distracted again. So I'll see you guys in the next trade, probably tomorrow, because I think I'm done for the day. Yeah. So I'll see you guys some other time. Peace out. Oh, and I think I changed this color on my phone, MT5 on my phone. Yeah, so see you guys later. Peace out. It's good, boys. So another update. I thought I said I was done for the day, but I had a setup just a while ago. Gold gave me a setup, and I just was like, no way, I'm not gonna sit there and let this one leave without me. So I entered, and it was pretty quick. I'll post on my Instagram. So this is the setup. Let me go to history, and if you go to history, you can see that I just made like $80 of this gold position. I just made $80 on gold right now. So you guys can see gold. This is the date, 16th of September, and yeah, I just made that, and yeah, man, a very good way to end the day after having 3 back-to-back losses, right? I'm planning to hold, let me say I was planning to hold gold, but considering it being at all-time highs, right? And I was like, let me just settle for this. I only raised like 0.5%, and as you can see, it is pumping. I exited like, I think around 0.3 point something. Sorry, 1 is to 3 point something. Yeah, that's where I think I exited. So it was a good trade. I will just call it a day and come back tomorrow. Whoa, after so many losses, I was down 5%, and now I think I am down, 3% or something. Yeah, it's a good day, to be honest. So peace out, and I'll let you guys know what's up probably tomorrow, because I'm just going to close my chart. Peace out, man. It's good, guys. So today is Friday, 19th of September 2025, and as you guys remember, the last trade that I took was on, I think, when was it? Was it Monday? I think it was Monday, right? And since then, I haven't had any good setup that, I've got my eyes on. And yeah, so yesterday, I saw some low quality random setup on GBP and ZD, and I risked like $10, which is like 0.2% of the account. You guys remember I made about $80 on that trade I took the last time. Since my last video, right? It was $80 I haven't taken any position since then because I haven't had any setup. So yesterday, I think it was way past my market trading time, the time that I get off the charts. It was past that, but I saw some setup on GBP and ZD on the 15 minutes, and I was hoping to swing it for like, let's say tomorrow. So I entered the position with like 0.2%, just $10. The equity was around 4,820, right? That was the balance after the $80 win, and I risked like $10. And I woke up this morning and saw that the trade was a loss, which was this $10.48. And today too, I saw today, which is Friday, I saw a setup form on gold, which I was not sure of. Like, I was not very certain that it could win. I risked like, I think I opened a lot side of 0.03, which gave me like, I wanted to risk $10, sorry, $9, but it gave me I think it opened the position at $8, right? Depending on where my stop loss was. So yeah, and this is how it is. It just took me out at this level. This one was like a mistake. This one I entered with a wrong lot size, and I just immediately closed. And I set a limit order somewhere around here. It got triggered, and boom. As you can see, I got stopped out just right over here. So I don't know. I have a good level that I'm expecting gold to come back, and I'll buy from that level. But I don't know whether it's gonna be a good setup. Like, if it comes to that level, I'll risk 0.5 because I trust in that setup. But if it comes and it loses, then it will be like a loss for the day, and I'll just conclude the week there and come back next week. So I'll update you guys and let you know what happens. Peace out. I'm gonna go ahead and put this trade in my journal, and be safe out there, man. Be safe, guys. That's good, guys. So just an update is later in the day, 2:19 p.m. Friday, 19th of September 2025. So I'm in this position on UJ, a very clear A setup, a very good setup on UJ, which is, let's say, my actual trade of the day. I don't know if it loses, it's fine, because to me it is an A+ setup, and I took it based on what I wanted to see, and it gave me all the confluences that I wanted. And yeah, so right now this is how the trade looks on trading view. As you guys can see, I'm on in this trade right now, and yeah, it's let's say just 10 minutes away from my trading hours to be over with. So I don't know if this trade might win or if it might lose, but regardless, it's an A+ setup for me, and I just hopped in, and this is how the trade is looking right now. And yeah, let me show you my MT5 again. And yeah, this is where the trade is, how it is flowing like $4 right now. It could win, it could lose, but regardless, I mean, I don't know, when I switch to 5 minutes, it is bugging out, doing something, I don't know. That's why you see what it is doing. So on the 1 minute, it seems to be clear, the candles. I don't know why it is doing that though, but that is what it is. If it goes to 1:3R, I will close manually, as I always do, because bro, trust me, sometimes spreads dupe me over, right? Because sometimes it might be close to take profit, and because of spread, it will just reverse, and I wouldn't get anything. Then maybe take me out of break even. So this time it is almost 3 p.m. and it is way past almost, right? 2:30 is the max time limit for me to be on the chart, right? So if it goes for 1:3 hour, I might close it manually and call it a week. But if it doesn't, I'll just wait it out and see. I really hope like it could go for this level. Yeah, so this is what I have. I'll update you whether it becomes a winning trade or a losing one. Peace out and stay blessed.
What's good, guys? So, this is an update on the UJ trade that I took this afternoon. So it is very late, somewhere around 10:57 p.m. I traveled. I came back to my parents' place. So yeah, I'm just here for some few weeks, and I'll be off to my own place. So the trade, I closed it for like 1.5 hour. I put it at break even when it was almost at 1 hour because it was just consolidating. And when it got to like 1 hour, I closed it. So let me show you guys my MT5. So this is it. As you can see here, it was just consolidating, and when it got to like one hour, I just manually closed it. I was going to be like, I'll let it play out and I'll close it like 20 minutes before market closes, right? But while I was in the car coming down, I saw it still consolidating, and I just said like, it's alright, I'll just end the week with 1 hour. So yeah, I closed it at 1 hour. And you know what, I think I made a mistake when I was entering this position, because instead of risking like 25, I think I entered the wrong lot size, and it was at I think 22 or 20 something. So with commission and everything, the 1 hour, which was 22, became $19.59, as you can see here. So yeah, that's what I have right now. So these are all the trades that I took this week, and yeah, I took some unnecessary ones which were not supposed to be taken, right? But I was like, it's still an opportunity. But starting next week, I'm just gonna stick to the pairs that I trade, the major ones, which is gold and UJ. I think I'm gonna stick with that one, and yeah, take it from there. So this is the current balance, which is currently sitting at 4,819. I hope that next week become profitable week, and I get to avoid any unnecessary trades, and I take the quality ones and make some good returns. So I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share it. So and let's make this journey fruitful, right? So thank you very much for watching, and staying to the end. Peace out. Have a great weekend.